Hey there, adventure seekers. Have you ever imagined what it would be like if Earth's north and south poles swapped places? No, I'm not talking about some sci-fi movie, but a real phenomenon known as geomagnetic reversal. Throughout Earth's history, our magnetic poles have flipped many times. In fact, the last reversal happened about 780,000 years ago during the Stone Age. Imagine living in a time when compasses pointed south instead of north. But what causes these flips, and should we be worried about the next one? First, let's dive underground. Deep beneath our feet lies the Earth's core, a gigantic ball of molten iron and nickel. This churning hot liquid generates our planet's magnetic field, but sometimes, for reasons not entirely understood, this magnetic field weakens and eventually flips. Now picture this. You're a bird migrating across continents using the Earth's magnetic field as your guide. Suddenly your internal compass goes haywire. Sounds like an epic adventure, right? But for animals relying on magnetic navigation, it's a real challenge. And it's not just animals. Humans too could face some turbulence. You see, our modern world is heavily dependent on satellites, telecommunications and power grids, all of which can be affected by changes in the magnetic field. During a reversal, increased cosmic radiation could also mean more frequent power outages and disruptions. But before you start packing your survival kit, here's the catch. A magnetic reversal isn't an instant flip. It's a slow process, taking thousands of years to complete. The magnetic field might become weak and unstable, but it doesn't vanish entirely, giving us time to adapt and prepare. Throughout history, life on Earth has weathered many geomagnetic storms and reversals. Fossil records show no mass extinctions directly linked to these events. So, while it might be an adventure, it's not necessarily an apocalyptic one. There's also the fact that the magnetic poles have been slowly drifting over the last few centuries. The North Pole, for instance, has been moving at an astonishing rate of up to 55 kilometers per year. So, who knows, the next flip might be just around the corner. But let's embrace the adventure, shall we? The idea of a magnetic pole reversal adds a layer of mystery to our planet. It reminds us that Earth is a dynamic and ever-changing world, and as we continue to explore and understand these changes, we become part of this incredible journey. So next time you hold a compass or look up at the night sky, remember, the magnetic poles might just be planning their next big adventure. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring the wonders of our planet. Until next time, cheers!